This next segment deals with thermal expansion. Now, water has mass, and it's not compressible. Water also expands when it's heated. Thermal expansion happens when the water is heated inside your domestic water heater and will actually push its way out the cold water side. In years past, this expanded pressure would go back into the city water main. Changes in the codes required a check valve be installed at the water meter. Now, some rural water wells, rural water systems, and municipalities don't have these check valves in their system. If you don't, and you install a SCALA, you've actually installed a non-reversing valve. The SCALA has two check valves, one on the suction and on the discharge. This prevents that expanded volume from going back into the municipal system. Thermal expansion can increase the pressures inside your system tremendously. The SCALA is rated for 145 psi. Most water heaters come equipped with a thermal relief valve on the water heater that's set for 150. When that valve is activated, the water will open and go into a floor drain. But because the pressure on the SCALA is lower than the relief valve on the water heater, it can sometimes damage the SCALA pump. When installing the water heater, or if your system doesn't have an expansion tank, it's recommended that you install a thermal expansion tank at the water heater. Now, this tank that you see here is one that's usually used on anything up to maybe a 50-gallon water heater. It's small. It has an internal diaphragm that separates the water from a cushion of air. As the water expands, it will push this diaphragm down inside the vessel until it equalizes the pressure inside at the bottom where the air chamber is. Now, when they ship these products, it's normally set at around 30 to 40 psi. When you're boosting your pressure to 70 or 80 psi, you need to go back to the expansion tank and change that pressure. It needs to match the static pressure of your system. When you do this, you'll need to take the tank out of the system so that it's not reading internal pressures. There's a Schrader valve at the bottom. Simply inflate the pressure inside the tank to match 70 or 80 psi that you're getting on the discharge. This will protect the pump and the plumbing system, because even if the pump doesn't fail, thermal expansion will create tremendous damage to the inside lining of your water heater. It will damage the solenoid valves inside your washing machines, your dishwashers, and it also causes a great deal of stress on the plumbing system. Always remember, look for the thermal expansion tank when installing a SCALA unit.